Hello folks, today we're going to be making peanut brittle. It's a fairly easy recipe to do. I'm just warning you now, it is dealing with something very hot. Just please be careful if you make this, especially if you got any little kids around. Just please be careful. Alright, you're going to need 2 cups of sugar, 1 can of peanuts, need 1 cup of butter sliced into little squares, going to need 1 cup of light corn syrup, a teaspoon of baking soda, and also you're going to need half a cup of water, folks. Alright, pour our sugar in there. Okay, we're going to add our water and corn syrup. Going to add our corn syrup, Doug. Alright, there we go. Now, we're going to put it on medium heat and bring this to a rolling boil. And in the meantime, you can see over there we've got a cookie sheet with some parchment paper on there. I just got the largest cookie sheet out we had. Now just mix that all together. There, we've got it to a boil. We're going to set it off the heat, and now we're going to add the butter to it. Alright, just be careful, folks, you don't get burnt. Now we're going to put it back onto the heat. Stir it up and get all the butter good mixed up there. Alrighty, just stir that up good. And then we're going to put a thermometer in here in a minute. And it says when it gets to 280 to put in your peanuts. Now we've got the peanuts that we're going to be using is already cooked. It calls for raw peanuts, folks. But what we did, I just go past the 280 and let it start getting up close to 300, and then we put the peanuts in. That way they don't get overcooked and burned. Alright, just keep stirring it there. Don't want to stick. And once again, folks, if you do make this, just please be careful. I don't want nobody out there getting burned, especially if you got any little youngins. This is not really a recipe for them to be in there helping you with. But it turns out great. Carolyn and Dan said it tastes great. I'm taking their word for it, folks. I know it used to taste great. Alrighty. There, we're pouring in our peanuts. And then just start stirring it up. And once we get it stirred up, we're going to let the temperature come up to 305 on the thermometer. Just keep stirring it there.
Then you know it's Christmas, 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day.
There's a little bit better picture.
never stays with us.
Alrighty, it got to 305. That's when you pour in your baking soda and then stir that up real good. That baking soda will make it sort of airy to where it's not real, hard.
You know it's time for Christmas for each and every one.
Alright. Now we're getting ready to pour it out on our parchment paper. Be careful, Doug. Dan, I may need your help. Come over here and help me. Alrighty, we got most of it poured out.
And then you know it's Christmas. The snow starts to fall. And then you know it's Christmas.
Okay.
For the children of all.
Now, smooth it out
It's Christmas.
on your cookie sheet there.
Santa's on his way. We're standing alone.
Also, my mom, she said it tasted good. I took her over some. She said it was good.
Christmas Day.
I was just there trying to get the bowl scraped out, folks. It's still pretty hot. I'm gonna have Daniel scrape it out while I hold it with them pot holders. Okay. Now all we gotta do is let it cool, and then we'll pick that parchment paper up and drop it down on the counter. Here we go. Just take it there, and then you just want to try to bust it up. And that there's all you got to do, folks. You just break it into pieces then and put it in an airtight container where it won't get soft on you. But no, Carolyn and Dan, they said there. Oh, our little girl, she loved it too. But like I said, I'm taking their word on it, folks. They said it smelled good when it was a cooking also. Once again, I'm taking their word on it. Alrighty. There's the finished product, folks. I would like to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And you all have a blessed day. And it's Christmas Eve, folks. Merry Christmas. We'll be seeing you tomorrow, Lord willing. Thank you all again for watching.